How the pros clean a storefront. This will help you save time. It's the flick pads. It's the Mormon handle with the Mormon flick pad. That way you're not bringing your pole down all the time, switching out tools. And then you got your zero trad. I'll have the links in the description down below for these. The ultimate storefront setup. It's pretty warm out today, so I'm only gonna do a couple windows at a time. Otherwise, when it's cooler, I'll do a whole row. I'll do this whole top row at the same time. But that sun really just dries things out quick. See that flick pad? I don't gotta keep bringing my pole down to switch out tools. Just flicks. I do this store every month, but they still get pretty dirty. I'm not too worried about detailing those top windows. They're blacked out. See how easy this is? And quick. When you're doing storefronts, treat the store's customers like your own. Hold the door open for them. Let them get by. Never get frustrated towards them. That's a potential client right there. Just smile and be positive. What I'm using, all Idaho. Idaho swivel handle, fast lock, fast release, aluminum 18-inch channel. I just got this one. It's 14-inch brass Idaho. Nice grip. Idaho Ledge Easy handle. I'll put the link in the description for those. All this stuff. Zero trad. Mormon. It's warm out today. This flick pad is amazing. You can bust out storefronts really quick. The sun's really hitting these. I gotta do one at a time. Already drying up there. Especially with these windows that are blacked out. They dry a lot quicker. So even with this flick pad, gotta move quick. The key is to keep it wet. Wow. I don't like that. Quick little touch up. Perfect. See how quick I had to move before they dry out. Notice when I'm finishing, I lift up on the pole. Helps get that angle on top of the bottom ledge. Pull that water off. Their other store, this is a massage store. Massage parlor. Their other store I just did. I do them monthly also. I get paid at that store. And then this one I do trade for an hour massage. So I've got a bunch of hours racked up. I don't get massages too often, but it's super convenient when I need it. Doing ladder work, climbing roofs, bending, stretching, tons of arm movement. You're gonna want a massage. But I'm actually going there today and get one scheduled. It's been a few months. These don't need much at all. Scrub it real quick. Squeegee and go. A lot of guys take too much time on stuff that doesn't even need that much time. Figure it out and get going. Stickers and vinyls always hold water. So you want to make sure you always wipe vinyl stickers and whatnot on store windows. Do a mix of everything here. Pull work with straight pulls and S-curve, and then straight pulls by hand. A lot of guys like to S-curve with the pull. I do it in some scenarios. Other people do it too much, to where all that dancing back and forth, doing the S-curve on the pole, it can end up wasting time. Straight pulls is king in my book. A lot of guys struggle with them, leaving a line. If you do them right, know how to do them all the time, straight pulls is king. These lower ones get nasty, but still don't need that much scrubbing. Always put stuff back. See that? Water and all these stickers. Take your detailed towel and wipe it up. Get a little sloppy moppy. $80 degrees or so here in Boise, Idaho. It's warming up. March 19th. Do this larger window while my mop is still soaked. Don't waste it on that. The smaller ones. All done. Quick and easy. That's how the professionals do it. Again, I'll leave a link or links in the description below. All this stuff I just used. It'll make you look good and do a good job. They're affiliate links for window cleaning resource, where I get all my equipment.